There is nothing worse than being 10 miles deep on a gravel trail and hearing that dreaded hiss of escaping air. I got tired of walking my bike home, so I bought the top 5 puncture-proof gravel tires on the market. I mounted them, rode them over sharp rocks, and tested their grip to see which ones actually hold up to the abuse. Product number 1, Gravelking X1 Tubeless Ready Tire. I started with the Gravelking X1. The first thing I noticed when unfolding this tire was the aggressive tread pattern. It looks like it wants to bite into the dirt. Mounting it tubeless was surprisingly easy. The bead snapped into place without me having to wrestle it for an hour. The ride feel is where this tire shines. Even with that chunky tread, it didn't feel sluggish on pavement. The Tuftex casing is the real deal. I rode over some pretty gnarly broken shale that usually slices sidewalls, and these didn't show a scratch. The grip in loose corners gave me a lot of confidence too. If you ride mixed terrain where you need speed on the flats but serious protection against sharp rocks, this is a fantastic all-rounder that won't let you down. Product number 2, Tyres Gravelking SK. Next, I swapped to the Gravelking SK. This is a classic for a reason. Holding it, the rubber compound felt grippy but durable. The SK stands for small knob, and you can see why. It's covered in these little square blocks that provide consistent traction without buzzing too loud on the road. I tested these on a long, hot ride, and the rolling resistance was noticeably low. I felt like I was saving energy on the climbs. The beadlock technology is a nice touch. I took some corners way too fast to see if I could burp the tire, but it stayed seated perfectly. It absorbs bumps really well, smoothing out the chatter on washboard roads. If you want a tire that balances comfort and speed for long endurance rides, this is the one to pick. Product number 3, Tyres Gravelking Semi-Slick 700C. Then I tried the semi-slick version in the 700C size. As soon as I touched the center tread, I knew this thing would be fast. It's almost completely smooth down the middle with knobs only on the sides for cornering. It feels built for speed demons. On hard-packed dirt and tarmac, these things fly. I honestly felt faster instantly. But don't let the smooth center fool you. The Tuftex casing still offers that cut resistance. I ran over some glass patches on the shoulder of the road, and I didn't get a single flat. The side knobs kick in when you lean into a turn so you don't slide out. If your rides are 70% road and 30% light gravel, this tire will make you faster without sacrificing safety. Product number 4, Tyres Gravelking Semi-Slick 650B. I also tested the semi-slick in the 650B size. Even though it's the same model as the last one, the wider 650B profile changes the feel completely. It feels much more plush and forgiving. The extra volume combined with that fast center tread makes for a really fun ride. I took this set onto some rougher fire trails, and the stability was impressive. The lower pressure I could run with the wider tire meant I floated over loose gravel that would usually bog me down. It still has that same great ZSG compound, so the grip was consistent even when the trail got dusty. If you run a 650B setup and want the comfort of a fat tire but the speed of a road tire, this is the perfect setup. Product number 5, Ultraverse 26X4 e-bike fat tire. Finally, I went huge with the Ultraverse fat tire. This thing is a beast. Holding it felt more like holding a dirt bike tire than a bicycle tire. It's heavy, dense, and feels impenetrable. The motorcycle herringbone tread pattern is unique and definitely catches the eye. I threw these on an e-bike to test them out, and they are practically bomb-proof. I rode straight through thorny bushes and over jagged rocks, and nothing penetrated that rubber. It absorbs shock like crazy, making a rigid frame feel like it has suspension. It's obviously heavy, so you wouldn't put this on a lightweight race bike, but for e-bikes or dedicated fat bikes, it's a tank. If you never want to worry about a flat again and you ride an e-bike, get these. So whether you need the speed of the semi-slick or the tank-like protection of the Ultraverse, one of these will keep you rolling. I've dropped links to all 5 tires in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.